Hi friends, if you are looking to transform your walls with a stylish, durable and affordable solutions, so say hello to the PVC wall panels, the game changer in the modern interior designs. So whether you are renovating your home or office, panels offers the sleek, waterproof and low maintenance alternative to traditional wall finishes. So friends, in this video we'll explore the benefits, installation process, what will be the price for installing the PVC wall panels, and top tips for choosing the perfect PVC wall panel for the space. So stick around till the end for some amazing before and after transformations. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. So let's begin the topic. PVC panels, which are called polyvinyl chloride, which are a popular choice for modern interiors and exteriors due to their durability, low maintenance and aesthetics appeal. Because it has some common uses of PVC wall panel, like for interior wall cladding, which are used in living rooms, bedrooms for a sleek modern look, and it is available in various designs. Even you can use in bathrooms because it is waterproof and resistant to mold, making them an ideal in wet areas. It is easy to clean and maintain compared to tiles, or you can use for kitchen backsplash also because it is resistant to grease, moisture and stains, making them a practical alternative to tiles. But it totally depends upon your choice and as per your requirement. It is very lightweight and can be easily installed on the walls, or you can use for false ceilings because it is lightweight and moisture resistant, suitable for bedrooms, living rooms. Some PVC panels are UV resistant and can be used for facade balconies and outdoor areas. It has some beautiful advantages like waterproof and moisture resistant. It is easy to install, low maintenance, durable and long lasting, lightweight, affordable compared to tiles or natural wood, varieties of designs. So now we will discuss that how much it will cost for installing the PVC panels. Like suppose one PVC panel price is 400 rupees per piece, which I am talking about the super heavy PVC panel, and one piece which covers the area is 8.3 square feet. So this way you can calculate your the total price. Suppose your wall size is 120 square feet, so that means you require total 50 number of panels. So each panel price is 400 rupees, so it will cost you almost 600 rupees, 6000 rupees. And to fix we require a labor charges, so it will take you almost 2000 rupees. So for 120 square feet area it will cost you almost 9000 rupees. So this way you can calculate your wall size. So if your wall size is 100 square feet, so you can divide this 100 divided by 8.3. So the total require of PVC panels, so each panel price is 400 rupees, so you have to multiply this requirement of panels into 400, plus you have to add 1500 to 2000 rupees labor charges. So this is the way to calculate the PVC panel price. So friends, when selecting the PVC panels for your walls, keep the following important points to remember. Like first one is the quality and the thickness. So option for a thicker panels 8 mm to 12 mm for better durability. Check for high density PVC to prevent warping or bending, and ensure the panel has a smooth, scratch and resistant surface. PVC panels should be 100% waterproof, especially for kitchens and bathrooms. and look for antifungal and antibacterial coatings to prevent the mold. Choose the fire retardant PVC panels and think about the design and finish. So select from gloss, matte or wood based on your decor. Ensure the consistent color and pattern across all panels. So ease of installation and maintenance. So interlocking system panels are easier to install. Choose the stain resistant panels for easy cleaning. Durability and longevity. UV resistant panels are best for sun exposed areas. So always check for the warranty. For good brands offer you almost 10 to 15 years. Always compare the brand and price. So compare brands like PVC panels by Supreme, Duraplast, Astral, etc. Avoid cheap low quality panels that may fade or crack. PVC panels with thermal and sound insulation are ideal for bedrooms. Ventilation and backside design. So some panels have ventilation grooves to prevent the moisture buildup. So by considering this factor, you can select the best PVC panels for your home. So friends, if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section. I will see that I can give all your answers. So friends, please subscribe to our channel because here you will get the latest and modern interior tips and ideas for your house, for living room, bedrooms, kitchens. And you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description if you have any doubts related to the interior designs, or if you want price related, you can